When coming to the ILO Convention on Home Work, see, post ILO calls for national level policy on those working from home. That is ILO Convention on Home Work. The ILO calls for a national level policy on those working from home. There is a need to develop effective policies for home-based workers and ensure their proper implementation, even as a practice, has increased since the novel coronavirus disease COVID-19 pandemic. The International Labour Organization said in its new report, just 10 countries had ratified the Convention on Home Work, nearly 25 years since it was adopted by International Labour Conference in 1996. The National Convention aims to promote and protect the rights of those who work at homes creating products for an employer, that is, work from home. Despite contributing significantly to the economy, home-based working has remained invisible. It also noted that propensity of women to work from home 11%, that is, propensity of women to work from home 11.5% was much higher than that of men. The report ILO talked about three main types of home-based workers: industrial home-based workers, industrial home-based workers who are involved in the production of the goods, including the artisanal production such as making handicrafts, rolling of beads, making laces, and etc. Then coming teleworkers who use information and communication technologies to perform their work remotely. And next is home-based digital platform workers, that is, who are crowd workers that perform service sector tasks as specified by employers or intermediaries. ILO's recommendations: the government need to play a major role to protect home workers. They need to adopt a national policy on home-based work is needed. It called upon the governments to develop and implement a gender response legal and policy framework that provided equal treatment of all categories of home-based workers in relation to the other wage earners. This included facilitating the transition of informal workers to formal employment. The report also said home-based workers need to be counted better to record their earnings, hours worked, and the other conditions of employment. Labor register needed to be revised to incorporate place of work. Labor registries needed to revise to incorporate place of work and count those home-based workers who went missing due to the poor labor registries. Few countries, few countries had labor inspection schemes adapted for home-based work. The report noted. The report called for better compliance, legal protection, occupational safety, and social security for the industrial home-based workers. It said teleworkers were at risk of working overtime and hence recommended the right to disconnect on their behalf. Right to disconnect. Right to disconnect is also being given to the teleworkers.